Morning, boss. Morning, boss.
Man, trust we all doing great.
We are
So,
great, bro.
Yeah, we are good.
all right, yeah. So a quick one. Talking about we'll be analyzing Euro USD, GBP USD, and the dollar index going into the London session. So we'll see if we'll be able to get a trade signal, a trade setup from London session. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen now. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Okay. So I have to remove all drawings. No, doing on Sunday, I was expecting price to take out this external range liquidity resting here, and look at what happened. Price did take out that external range liquidity, right? Price took out that external range liquidity. Now I'm going down to the 4 hours. 4 hours on Sunday, we did the general analysis together, where I told you guys I have this stop point here, and also an SMT, smart money divergence, or smart money techniques. We have this SMT here, right? And we have this breaker structure here as well. We have this breaker structure here and this breakout block. We have this breakout block here, right? So what else can we see? What else can we see? We have this long imbalance here, long fair value gap. We have this long fair value gap, and secondly, we have an inversion too. So there are high tendencies that price is going to come down to this place. There are high tendencies that price is going to come down to this place. We have an inversion, we have a breakout, we have stop hunt, we have fair value gap, and we have inversion. So using the daily PDRA, I draw from the high and to the low, right? I draw from the high and to the low. So price is currently at the premium level, and I'm expecting price to drop down to the discount level. So looking closely, please, if you're just joining the call, kindly mute. Okay. So looking closely to this place again, this is a reversal candle. This is like inverted hammer. This is a reversal candlestick. So what am I looking out for here? I can clearly see an inversion. I probably want to take a sell position from here down to our discount level. I'm seeing clearly an inversion. Yeah, I can see this inversion clearly. So let's go down to 4 hours and see. Okay, we're already in 4 hours. So let's go down to 5 minutes because I've seen this inversion. I'll look into and get a sell setup. This DXY. So I'll be looking to have a buy setup on Euro USD. So going down to the 5 minutes, let's see. Okay, now we've broken structure to the downside, right? On 5 minutes. We've broken structure to the downside on 5 minutes. We have this breakup structure here inside our inversion. Now, what price would likely want to do is either come back to this gap, We have a volume imbalance here as well. We have a volume imbalance here as well. So I'm expecting price to come back to this zone. This is a VI. I have to level that. VI. I don't want it to be in the middle. I want it to be on top and right. So I have this volume imbalance and 5 minutes fair value gap. Shifts to the right. Or probably price might want to play this other block here. So I've got an order block, I've got a fair value gap, and I've got an in volume. Sorry, I've got a volume imbalance. So I would like to see DXY pull up to any of this, then start the drop into our discount level. When I start the drop into our discount level. Now looking at Euro USD, starting from the 4 hours. Okay, let's start from the daily on Euro USD, right? On day. So we'll clear all drawings, remove all drawings. So Euro USD is giving us an equal low vibes here. Euro USD is giving us an equal low vibes. So Euro USD is yet to take out this external range liquidity here. ERL is yet to take out this external range liquidity here. Hold on, please. Right. Okay. Is here to take out this external range liquidity, which is a nice one for us. So definitely price is coming to take this. Price is coming to take this out. So go down to the 4 hours. Let's see what we're going to get from the 4 hours. Now, during our weekly analysis, we talked about the stop hunt here. Talked about the stop hunt and also an SMT divergence. An SMT divergence as well. So what else are we seeing here? We can clearly see a break of structure to the downside, while we saw a break of structure to the upside on dollar index. So we have this break of structure here. We have SH. We have this SH, and we have SMT as well. You have this SMT as well, right? So looking, I can clearly see a breakout block. Sorry, I can clearly see our inversion here. We have an inversion. After the inversion, what else are we seeing? We have this current, you have this current CB here. You have this current CB. So what are we going to do? We need to mark that. We need to mark that, and okay, yeah. So Euro USD is looking kind of very interesting, and using our PD array, we'll draw. So we're expecting price to drop down to the premium level. Expecting price to drop down to the premium level before we take our sales. So I'm so sorry about that, guys. So like I was saying, I'm expecting price to drop down to this premium level before we take our sales down to this external range liquidity here. And looking at this candle, we need to get the 50% of this candle. We need to get the 50% of this candle, so we measure for our 50%. And yes, we have our 50% here. Guys, please just give me just give me a minute, please. A minute. Yeah, I'm back. So looking closely to this, looking closely, I might want to take a buy position from here. So I can see this inversion, right? I can see this inversion here for us inversion. So this this might actually want to help take price up into our premium level. But I'll bet more on GBP/USD. Reason being that if EURUSD is yet to take out this external range liquidity, that means GBP/USD will have already taken out the external range liquidity. So going down to 5 minutes. Now this is 5 minutes. See how the inversion is holding price? See how 4-hour inversion? 4-hour IMPT. It's holding price. See how it's holding price. So if I wanted to join this trend, if I want to join this trend, because I've already seen a breakup structure to the upside. Where is my breakup structure? I have my breakup structure here to the upside. So price might want to play this gap. Price might want to play this gap to continue the up movement. So we need to get something like this to continue the up movement. Yeah. So this is what I'm expecting on EURUSD. Then let's check GBPUSD. GBPUSD, we are starting from the daily. Oh, GBPUSD is yet to take out the external range liquidity as well. Wow. So this is a daily time frame on GBPUSD. I have this here. I have this external range liquidity resting below here. Now I'm going down to the 4 hours. Going down to the 4 hours, just like we saw on EURUSD, just like we saw on EURUSD. It's very, very obvious here in GBPUSD. We see this stop hunt, right? We see this stop hunt, and there is an SMT here as well. There is an SMT here, and we have a break of structure. I have a breakout structure and a breakout block too. We've got this breakout block here. I have this breakout block, and we have an inversion as well. We have an inversion. We have this inversion. And mind you, we still have a normal CB. Still have our normal CB here. So looking for the 50% of the CB, we need to measure that. Draw from here to this high. So we've got our 50% here. So we've got our 50% consequent encroachment over here. Now looking closely, the reason why I won't be taking any trades this morning is because I thought GBPUSD took out this low. I would have entered this buy confidently. I would have entered this buy confidently. I was thinking that GBPUSD took out this external range liquidity here. But that didn't happen. So I just have to chill. I just have to chill. Now looking closely, I can see this inversion price closing above it. This is the 4-hour time frame, right? I can see this inversion price closing above it is a nice thing. So this is a nice thing, but no external range liquidity was taken. No external range liquidity was taken out. This major low here was not taken out. So going down to the 5 minutes. So going down to the 5 minutes, we can see this breakout structure. You can see this breakout structure here, right? A price might want to play this gap. Price might want to play this gap to start buying, but from look of things, the momentum that this candle is using to drop, like, is not really advisable. It's not a good one for me. The momentum this candle is using to drop is not a good one for me, honestly. Honestly, it's not a good one. But let's just hope, because I've seen a break and retest here, price breaking above this inversion, this 4-hour inversion for IVG. So price have broken this. If you want to take a buy, this buy on GBPUSD, if you want to take this buy on GBPUSD, you can go in now, maybe have your stop loss just below this inversion. And where are we targeting? We're targeting this. We're targeting this. I think I'll just have to risk. My normal stop loss is 25 pips, to be on the safer side, because I'm not the owner of the market. I use 25 pips. I think I will. Let me go in. Let me go in. Let me buy GU now. That's with I'm risking 250. I'm risking 250. I'm buying GBPUSD now. I just bought GBPUSD. I just bought GBPUSD. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. My entry position, where is my entry position? My entry is 1.25581. 1.25581. Okay, that's my entry. All right. And I'm risking 25 pips. Okay, so my stop loss is at 25331. That is my stop loss. 25331. That is my stop loss. So guys, let's see how this is going to play out. If it goes to our direction, fine, we will be happy. If it doesn't go to our direction, fine. We'll wait for another trade setup. Okay. So I'm on the trade now, the dancing I've started. So, but if price should drop a little, I didn't really get this. I wanted to get this entry right from here, but I didn't. So if I would like to open, like, let's say 2 positions on this and risk $500. I want to open 2 positions on this and risk $500. So if this price should drop a bit low, I'm buying again. It should drop a bit lower than, okay, I'm going in again now. Buying again. I just opened another position now. So see, I just opened my second position now. So I'm risking $500. My target is always 1:2. I go for 1:2 risk to reward. So this is it. Let's see how it goes. If I take a loss, that's okay. But it happens to be that the 2 of them are in the same place. This is not what I want. You guys can see my chart, right? My 2 entry are in the same place, and that's not what I want. I wanted one to be lower than 1, but it's all good. I should open another position. Okay. Let me open another position. Okay. I just opened my 3rd position now. All right. I just opened my 3rd position. So if we have a setup, we trade our setup, of course. So I just opened my 3rd position now. But well, you won't know a good trade until you take one. Until you take one. So I need to update my stop loss. 15331. Modify. 15331. Modify. 15331. 15331. So this is what I have for you guys during this London session. We've already taken a trade. So let's see. It's already my target is 1:2. 1:2, probably this high. Yeah. Where is 1:2? Okay, that's my target, 1:2. Now using standard deviation, let's see. Using standard deviation, let's see where we think our target should be. Okay, 250 here, we're good. So if this goes our direction, smile. If it doesn't go to our direction, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. But ah, man, seems you're gonna take a loss. This you're going to take a loss. I'm saying it seems you're going to take a loss. Well, you never can tell until price hits our stop loss. That is when we know that yes, we've taken a loss. But right now, we can't do anything. We can't do anything. We're already on the trade. We just have to look and see how the trade is going to play out. All right, just have to wait and see how the trade is going to play out. So let's check um dollar index. Let's check. Okay, dollar index coming back to the volume imbalance and to the fair value gap. All right, so let's see. Everything is still on track. Everything is still in track. You have a breaker structure here. You have a volume imbalance and you have a fair value gap, which price is currently trading in. So let's just see how it goes. This is Euro USD, GBP USD, which you're currently on. And this is Euro USD. Euro USD coming back to that gap I told you guys about, whereas GBP USD is already in that gap. So let's see how it goes, guys. If you're in Abuja, come into the office today for the physical class. So this night will be seen for our online session as well. We'll be seeing this night for our online session. So guys, thank you for being on the call. Okay, it's being recorded. Once you're done, I'll drop the recordings to the group so the people that missed will join, can watch the recordings. Okay, guys, thank you for your time and do have a lovely day. If you're on GBP if you're on GBP if it doesn't go to our direction, just know it's one of those things. We have wins and losses in the market. If it goes to our direction, don't let your emotion get to you. Just know that it was one of those things as well. You win some, you lose some. Okay. So let's see how GBP is going to play out, guys. We are buying GBP Let's see how it's going to play out. You have a lovely day, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
Bless you, bro.
You're welcome. Bless you too. Yeah, you can go to our Ikeja office. You can go to Ikeja office. You're welcome, Chukwemeka. Thank you. All right.